Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can view the bonds report. This is for services that use the bonds feature. To locate the bonds report, you're going to click on the reports menu and under financial click on bond. Now to be able to see the bonds report, you need to have the user role access for financial reports, and you also need to have the bonds feature enabled. You can select the date you wish to view the report for. And if you just simply click search, this is going to bring up all enrollments that currently have either a bond charge or a bond held against their enrollment. If you tick the include enrollments with $0 held, this will also show enrollments that have got no outstanding bond. So this means you can see in the held column, it is 0. If you would like to see active enrollments with either a $0 held or no bond applied at all, you can simply tick the second option and click search. Now this option is going to show you all active enrollments. Now active enrollments mean that they either do not have an end date or have been ceased with no activity. So an enrollment can only be exited if it has been ceased because the arrangement has been ended. So this will help services identify which enrollments for which children still do not have any bond charge or bond held against their record. Please note, you can only tick one of these options at any one time. This report will indicate the amount charged, the bond paid, any bond outstanding, and if there have been any bond refunds and bond refunds which have been transferred to fees. A helpful hint, this report will help identify if bond charges and bond fees have been applied to different enrollments. So you really want the report to match up. So the bond charge is on the one enrollment and the bond credit or the bond payment will sit under the paid column, which then will show under the held column for the same enrollment. If you see a bond charge on enrollment number 1, for example, and then the bond payment on enrollment number 2 linked to the same guardian, that's when the bond will not match up. So this report's going to help identify if you've got all the bond aligned correctly. If you require any further information on the bonds report, please do not hesitate to reach out to the Kidsoft customer success team. You may also like to look at our additional video tutorials in our YouTube channel for more tips on Kidsoft. Thank you.